Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston. I am coming to you from our Art Academy in Kidtropolis to show you this week's activity that we're doing at the museum, which is called DIY or Do-It-Yourself Spinners. Now for my friends at home, if you want to make one of these, all you need is a thick piece of paper. I'm using cardstock here with a circle drawn on it. Now if you don't have cardstock, you can also cut out a cereal box and then just have pieces of paper on both sides that you can color on. You need some markers, you need a scissors to cut out your circle, and then you're gonna need something that you can use to poke through your cardstock, because we're gonna end up poking 2 holes side to side right in the middle of our cardstock. And through those holes, we are going to string a piece of string that we can actually use to tie it together, because in the end, this circle is going to spin. So your first step is just to decorate one side of your circle, and you can decorate that with markers in any way you like. If you want to just do a bunch of dots, you can do that. If you want to do some squiggly lines, some stripy lines, you can draw a design, you can do patterns. It's really whatever you think will look cool once we actually get our circle to spin. Then you can actually cut out your circle, flip it over, and color a different design on the other side. The goal is to see how these different colors mix or how they look once we get this to spin. Once you have your circle cut out, you're going to carefully cut 2 holes, or excuse me, carefully poke 2 holes right in the center like I mentioned before. Something like a toothpick generally works pretty well. If you need to use something a little bit sharper, like if you are using a cereal box, you can use a pin to poke through, but then you need an adult to help you with that. And then you'll poke your string through, you'll tie it together on both ends, and next I'm going to actually show you how we get it to spin. All right, so this is what it looks like once you have the string through. You've tied it on one end, and you want to get your circle right towards the middle of your string as best you can. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start winding it up like this. Now when I first wind it up, it kind of leans to the side. It's not doing exactly what I want. That's okay. I'm just going to keep going. And then what I need to do to get it to spin, and it sometimes takes a couple of tries, you might need a little practice, is I'm just going to gently pull until it goes one way. And once it's tightened up and slows down, you gently pull and get it to go the other way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this to the side so you can actually see the colors. So on one side, I've got all my colors separated, but when I spin it, you can actually see the colors make a little bit of a rainbow that's in maybe the wrong order. On the other side, I made a bunch of stripes. And when they spin together, I just get a whole bunch of colors mixing together. So I get kind of a browny yellow color basically happening here. So this is pretty fun. You can play with this for a while. It's kind of mesmerizing when you look at the colors, and very soothing. I'm gonna see if I can find a friend here who wants to play with this as well. All right, guys, I have my friend Kyron here. He's gonna use my spinner. Kyron, just like I showed, we're gonna do a little spin move with this. You gotta get it going kind of round. There we go. Even both hands at the same time. And I would say just like this, like you're, what would this be, rowing a boat maybe? There we go, now we got the spin move. Keep it going, we want to get it nice and tight. Keep going, this is a good workout as well. We're you know, getting our exercise while we do this. All right, Kyron, what I want you to do is just very gently pull your fingers apart. And once it starts to slow down, pull them apart again. Very nice, and we have a DIY spinner. And you can keep this going. If it starts to lose some of its spin, we just wind it back up again. And we pull some more. Well, thank you very much, Kyron, for helping me show off our DIY spinners. Thank you to our friends at home. We hope you have fun making these. We hope to see you at the museum again soon. Bye. Bye.